Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to link your wallet address for Akka Withdrawal in Satoshi app, okay? We all know that Akka airdrop has ended in Satoshi app and we are asked to link our wallet address, and linking of wallet address is going to end on 30th November, okay? So if you are watching this video and you haven't linked your wallet address, follow me step by step, okay? And if you have not registered in Satoshi app, I'm going to drop a link below this video. Click on the link, register with your email and password, download the app, do your verification, and wait for another airdrop, because there is always an airdrop happening in Satoshi app. Okay, this Satoshi app is a must-have for everyone in crypto space. Okay, so once you open your Satoshi app, you click on this horizontal line. You click on my wallet. Okay, so once you click on my wallet, you scroll down, see Akka here. You click on it. So as you can see, link withdrawal address. So the next thing that you're going to do is to go and copy your core wallet address from a decentralized wallet. It could be your MetaMask wallet or your core wallet address from your OES app. Okay, but I normally use my MetaMask. So I'm going to my MetaMask now to copy my wallet address, okay? Okay guys, so this is my MetaMask now. You just click on this place to copy your wallet address, okay? So once you copy it, you go back to your Satoshi app. Okay guys, so once you come back to your Satoshi app, click on link withdrawal address, okay? So you're going to paste the wallet address that you copied and type your asset password, okay? If you haven't created your asset password, you need to create your asset password before you proceed to this linking of wallet, okay? After creating your asset password, it's going to take you 24 hours before you can be able to link your wallet address. So how do you create the asset password? You go back. You click here, okay? You click on me here. You scroll. You can see assets password, okay? Assets password should be different from this, your login password, okay? So just you click on this assets password, you create your assets password, you wait for 24 hours before you can be able to link your wallet address. But if you have created your assets password already, just proceed with the linking of the wallet address, okay? So I'm going to paste the wallet address that I copied. I'm going to type my assets password. Then I'll click on link withdrawal address. So once you're done typing, you click on Akka link withdrawal address, okay? Okay, they said Akka link withdrawal address. So you just click on confirm, okay? So that said they're going to send you a code to your email verification code. So you go to your email and copy the verification code, okay? So once you copy the verification code, you click on confirm. Okay guys, so as you can see, Akka withdrawal address link is successfully, okay? So we are done linking our Akka withdrawal address. So just follow this video step by step and you are going to link your own successfully, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. And if you are not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on the link to join my WhatsApp group, because it's not every update that I post on my WhatsApp group that I post on my YouTube channel. You need to be in my WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching.